In today's video, we're taking a look at how to pickle onions easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do it. Everything that we use on the video, we're gonna leave a link on the description. So today you woke up trying to add pickling to your life. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team, we've got your back. And the one taking the bath today will be the onion. If you want to check out our how to pickle chilies or jalapeno video, we're gonna leave a link on the description. And this technique or method can be used for red onions or white onions. And here at the StatUpBox team, we love all the colors. The first thing that we want to do is go ahead and thinly slice them. You can do whole slice or you can cut it in half and then slice. Whichever ninja chopping technique you use is up to you. The last time we checked, you're the only samurai in your house. Just don't let your spouse know, family member, neighbor, friend. The less people know, the better. We're gonna use 2 onions. If you only want to use 1 onion, then you divide the recipe. If you want to use more than 2 onions, then you multiply. Who said that in YouTube you can't learn math? We can go ahead and separate them to help the pickling process. We take them to a bowl where we're gonna go ahead and scorch them in hot water until they're dead. I mean, a nice jacuzzi bath where peace and happiness is our goal. So we go ahead and boil some water, and we want to use as much water that would cover all the onions. Once the water boils, we can go ahead and pour it on the onions. And we want to torture them for 1 minute. I mean, let them sit on the water for 1 minute. After 1 minute is done, we can go ahead and strain off the water. We let them rest, and now we go back to the stove to prepare our pickling solution. In having your stove at medium low or the number 3, we add 1 cup of water or 240 milliliters or 240 grams. Then we go ahead and add the same amount of vinegar. You can use white vinegar, apple cider vinegar. You can even use wine. Our next ingredient is 1 tablespoon of sugar or about 12.5 grams. Next, we add 1 teaspoon of salt, preferably kosher salt. But if you go the extra mile, pickling salt, and that is about 5.9 grams. And basically, what we want to do is go ahead and mix until everything dissolves. Once dissolved, we can go ahead and remove it from the stove. We get our container or jar, insert our onions, and then we pour our pickling solution until we get to the top. We place our cap or cover it, and then now comes the hardest part, where we place this mixture on the refrigerator for 24 hours. So as a true master of the kitchen, patience as a wise man once said, or maybe a king or a queen said, it sucks. But if you want to eat them right now, you can. They're gonna taste delicious anyway. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone in the StatUpBox team or someone in the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.